Linking your bank account to Optimove is a straightforward process that allows for seamless transactions and management of your financial data. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create an Optimove account. Visit the Optimove website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password, to create your profile. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the section labeled Bank Account or Payment Methods to begin the linking process. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank information. Provide the necessary information such as your bank name, account number, and a routing number. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save a Link button to complete the process. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking. Now you are ready to use your bank account with Optimove. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or customer support for assistance.